Hello everyone! Welcome back to Dragonfish video tutorial series. In this episode, we will show you how to upgrade the aircraft firmware. First, power on the ground station. Then, base station and the aircraft. Then tap the settings button in Auto Voyager app. Then the software update. And finally, tap aircraft drone firmware to upgrade the aircraft. If you have no access to the internet, you can download the firmware update file from our website prior to going out into the field. Copy the firmware to a USB drive. Power on the ground station, the base station, and the aircraft to ensure that they are all paired. Plug in the USB drive to the ground station via the USB port. A pop-up window will appear on the ground station screen asking if you would like to upgrade the firmware. Follow the provided steps to begin and then complete the update process. For more videos, please visit our website or subscribe to our channel. Refer to the video description below for more information.